Adding a credit card to your Ally Bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth addition of your card. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SRock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, look for the Payments or Manage Cards section in the main menu. Click on this option to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Payment Management area, find the option that says Add Credit Card or similar. Click on this to start the process of adding your card. Step 4. Enter your credit card information. Fill in the required details for your credit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your credit card information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your credit card to your account. Now you can enjoy the convenience of managing your credit card through Ally Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank's customer support for assistance.